gosh, I'm such a mess.
I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always...
Hey guys, it's Alex. So in today's video, I'm showing you how I achieved this look. This is kind of like my current go-to going out / concert makeup look for the summer. If you guys want to see how I achieved this makeup look and kind of like my go-to concert makeup look, by the way, before I do the little transition, it's very, very easy. The eye look is so simple. I use like 3 or 4 shadows, so definitely if you want to see how to do a really simple but very beat, glam, and beautiful going out makeup look, then please just keep I kind of look tired. If you guys can tell, I have redness because I've been touching my face all day, but I'm very tired because I did go to a concert last night actually, and I did not get the best sleep. It was a good concert, but I just did not get good sleep. So I did use my Kiehl's Daily Reviving Concentrate that I used in my last video. Also, before the video started, I did my eyebrows like I always do off camera because I have a whole eyebrow tutorial that I'm going to link in the description box of this video. I've also already applied my Clinique Prep Start, which this is something I've been doing a lot lately, but this is my primer for today. And with that being said, I think I covered everything that I did while you guys weren't here watching. So now I'm going to get into the actual tutorial. So basically, I'm clearly very pale right now, but I do have some color. Like, I did get burnt and it turned into a little bit of a tan. And I refuse to buy foundation in the summer. I will, but I really don't like to because my color changes. And I know I'm pale right now, and I know I've been pale in like most of my videos, and I keep saying I'm gonna get darker, and I keep telling myself I'm gonna get darker, but I actually am, because there's no way in hell that I know myself, and if it means sitting outside every day in the sun, going to the beach every day the whole month of August just to get a tan before I go to college, I know I'll do that because I want to go to college with a tan. Although I'm not tan right now, I know I will get tan by the end of the summer. So I like don't want to buy new foundation. So what I do is, this is my palest foundation, or one of my palest foundations. This is the Fenty Beauty foundation. You guys have seen this on my channel. And this I love because it's really long wearing, it's a good coverage. But in the summer, first of all, it does not fit me without mixing it with another foundation, and it does not have the finish I want, because it is a good finish, but in the summer I like to look really glowy. So I use this because it's light, so I can mix it in with a darker foundation, and because it has a long wearing quality. I mix it with this, which is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation. This is a dark foundation, one of my darker foundations, and it has a really nice illuminating finish. So mixing these two together for concerts gives me that long wearing makeup so that it won't like come off throughout the night, and it also gives me like that luminous summer glow. So I mix these together, and I'm also, just for the sake of me loving these, gonna mix in my Fantasy Dewdrops by Marc Jacobs, which was in my last video as well.
You only need the light when it's burning low, only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Whoa, whoa. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. You only know you love her when you let her go. But you let her go. Look, see, I remember when I met you as a sophomore. Started out as friends, but I knew that we would want more. Hit your favorite restaurant with your favorite dress on. That's one of my favorite memories that I've kept on the road with me. I know it's crazy how things change so quick. Went from rock bottom to all this fame and shit, but look, I couldn't love you, but I wished I could. Cause I got hurt and closed you off and you understood. But look, yeah, that's just blood on the leaves. The champagne tastes worse when it wasn't for free. That's why these thirsty bitches didn't come here with me. Move along, girl, there's nothing to see. And what a blessing every second is. Missed calls and messages. I'm missing nights when you would call, just checking in. The girl I love, I ain't seen her in months. That's just the cost of being up.
Okay, so you guys know that I've been doing this as well a lot lately. It's the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I'm using the shade Medium 20, and I think I need to get more.
But remember the hope, cause things change, but the memories don't. You only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love it when you let it go. Whoa, whoa. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hit the road when you're missing home. You only know you love it when you let it go. But you let it go. My bitches, my bitches. My bitches, my bitches.
That I've been using since, again, my last video is this Marc Jacobs. This is the Finish Line Invisible Powder, and I do actually like this a lot. I find that when you like turn it upside down and hit the bottom of it, you can get a good amount to start baking with. So
you love it when you let it go. Whoa, whoa. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hit the road when you're missing home. You only know you love it when you let it go. But you let it go.
Contour for concerts in the summer. Basically what I do is I just take my bronzer. So again, you guys know my stuff from my old video. This Marc Jacobs bronzer is what I'm using, and I basically just bronze my face. So I use my M527 brush from Morphe, and I just bronze my face, and then I'll like cut the bronzer with translucent powder, and that's kind of like how I contour.
When I met you as a sophomore, started out as friends, but I knew that we would want more. Hit your favorite restaurant with your favorite dress on. That's one of my favorite memories that I've kept on the road with me. I know it's crazy how things change so quick. Went from rock bottom to all this fame and shit, but look, I couldn't love you, but I wished I could. Cause I got hurt and closed you off and you understood. But look, yeah, that's just blood on the leaves. The champagne tastes worse when it wasn't for free. That's why these thirsty bitches didn't come here with me. Move along, girl, there's nothing to see. And what a blessing every second is. Missed calls and messages. I miss the nights when you would call, just checking in. The girl I love, I ain't seen her in months. That's just the cost of being up in the front. And yeah, we used to say this world was ours together. Yeah, the pain fades away, but the scars forever. And fate hurts, but remember the hope. Cause things change, but the memories don't. You only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow.
So for a blush, I don't know, I kind of like whatever. I just like something that's shimmery. I like mineralized blushes in the summer. So I'm taking Dolce Pink from Milani. It's a little sparkly, a little pink. I just like the shimmer blushes. Okay, so basically the card that I said I was using, you know how I said like my other one got locked, I don't even know what's wrong with it. So this one has like no storage, like very minimal amount. So I'm going to try to be quick with this. So I had to basically just go upload all the footage that I just filmed on my face makeup on my computer, so I was waiting. So that's why the lighting's a little different. So I'm gonna try to be a little bit quicker. I did do this eye already just because I literally just don't have the time. So I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette to complete this look, and I don't know the shade names off the top of my head because my little card is over there and I have the old palette, so it's not on the back. But I'm taking these two shades. Oh wait, nope, not that one, I lied. This shade right here and the shade directly below it. I'm taking those on this really fluffy brush that I always use for my transition color, and I'm just going to make this my transition color in the crease. I'm also going to take my E18 like I always do for my under eyes and put these two shades on the under eyes as well. I'm gonna go into this brown shade on this fluffy brush. This is a Morphe E22. I don't think that this is from the old Elite line, so I don't know if they're the same. But I'm gonna take this and put this in my crease and outer corner, and I'm also gonna take the E18 again and smudge it on the lower lash line.
Burying rappers, what I mean when I say take them to church. Oh man, I'm back with more bars. Yo, girlfriend on my scorecard. Opportunity knocks well. Someone please tell me where the doors are before I trample it, nigga. Somebody better answer this, nigga. If you ain't never heard of me, I'm about to show you what the motherfucking anthem is, nigga. Diamonds and treasure.
I'm gonna take this shimmery brown and the like goldish brown next to it. Mix those. Just a little bit of spray on them, and I'm gonna put this all over the lid. I mixed these two highlight shades because I don't really know the difference. And I'm just gonna put this in the inner corner and on the brow bone, like a little pencil brush. Okay, I'm gonna do lashes and mascara. It's a little bit darker out now, and I really just apologize for that. But I'm wearing the same lashes as I did in the last video because I'm obsessed with them. I've been wearing them to like every concert that I've been going to, and like every time I go out at night I wear these. They're the Huda Beauty lashes in the style Samantha number 7. I'm going to take a little bit of Benefit roller lash for the bottom lashes. Just put some more on because I have some on already. So I'm going to take Lancome Black Ebony number 602.
Now I'm out the basement, headed straight for the moon, and it might be some black shit, but I feel like I'm radioactive.
Today I'm going to take the Tarte Pro Glow palette. I may or may not have used it on my channel before. I'm going to mix the shade Lit with Fire on this Luxie 660. It says Precision Foundation Brush. I'm using it for highlighter. I'm going to go right on the tops of my cheeks with this. So when I go to concerts, I don't bring much with me because it's kind of hard with security and everything just to bring a lot. So I like to do a liquid lipstick so I don't have to reapply. And I've been really into Pure Hollywood lately because I just like to do nudes because it's summer. I was gonna do a bright color last concert I went to. Maybe I'll do a bright color next time, but I just like to do nudes and keep it like basic. And to finish off, I'm just going to spray my face with some setting spray. Okay, so this is the look. So this is what I normally do when I go out. I only put heat on my hair for concerts. If I'm going out with friends, I'll just probably leave it wavy or something, because this summer I've been trying to keep my hair healthy. I hope you guys liked this video and I hope it helped you out. This is just the look I kind of like to wear because I'm really into browns recently, and I just really like just having like a very simple look, something quick and easy to do, because I just, as much as I love doing my makeup, and when I go out normally I kind of like to play with my makeup and do something different, and in the summer I should be doing that, but I just don't wear makeup a lot in the summer, and so when I go to get ready I kind of just tend to lean more towards things that I'm doing currently. So if you've seen any of my recent Instagram pictures, not on my beauty Instagram but on my personal Instagram, I was probably wearing this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Comment videos you want to see in the comment section down below, because I'm definitely going to start the back to school videos in a couple weeks because July is almost over, which is kind of crazy. The first week in August I will be filming a back to school video. Don't forget to check out the description box. I link my eyebrow routine as I said earlier. I also link my previous videos so you can go check that out if you haven't seen it. A lot of the products that I used today were first impressions in that video, so you can go check it out and see my initial thoughts. But yeah, these are the updated thoughts on those products. I'm liking them, so we're good. If you don't follow me on my social medias, you totally should go follow me. I'll link them all down below. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as I said before, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye. This has been a really rough video to film, but I like this look and I want to get it up to you guys.